Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we're just taking a quick look at the Olympic Gardens police station. First of all, if you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe, leave a comment, like and share as well. So we just looking on the progress of work on the Olympic Gardens police station. We are basically on Bay Farm Road. Just showing you guys some glimpse around the area as well. I did a more detailed video. I'll put that in the comments and the description so you guys can see where it's coming from. So it's just a quick update for you guys. Not yet finished, but almost there. Alright guys, so I just drove past police station. So I'm just gonna go back around and you guys will see some shots from the back as well. So Olympic Gardens police station currently under construction. A very big police station as well. I think the Maypen police station is the biggest one in the country. Correct me if I'm wrong guys, but it's huge, the police station in Maypen. But this one is a very good size as well. So I'm gonna try get some more shots for you guys and then we go back onto Bay Farm Road, and we can basically end the video there. So just showing you guys an update. As I said before, I'll put the previous video I did in the comments and the description as well. And you guys ensure you also leave your comments. Alright guys, there you had it. A quick glimpse of the Olympic Gardens police station. We see they're completing the perimeter fence. I don't think that's the final paint. Assuming that most of the interior is probably finished as well. So I think they're almost finished. So that would be a good addition to the community in terms of law and order. So just giving you guys a quick update. We're now back on Bay Farm Road, and we're heading to the direction of Waltham Park Road. So stay tuned, enjoy the drive, and as usual, leave your comments. Alright guys, so we're now heading on, or we're now on Waltham Park Road. You have to be watching out for persons when you're driving. Alright, so we're on Waltham, we're heading up to Malines Road. And again, stay tuned, enjoy the drive, leave your comments. Alright, looks like there's an accident out here. I see a bike on the ground, so it looks like it's the bike and this car here, probably. So that's the bike out there. So you always have to be careful on the roads, guys, no matter where you're heading, what you're doing. And you have to practice defensive driving. You have to drive for others. Alright guys, so we're now on Malines Road, heading to the direction of Half a Tree. Alright, so I'll end the video on Malines Road. So thanks for clicking on this video. Thanks for watching so far. And thanks for your constant support, whether it's liking, sharing, commenting, or just watching a video, or even watching an ad. Thanks for the support. From time to time, I know people also support the channel financially. So if you want to donate, we have PayPal as well. So enjoy the rest of the drive. Malines Road. We just came from the new Olympic Gardens police station, came up on Bay Farm Road, then Waltham Park Road, and now Malines Road. Stay tuned.